This tool for GR, GRS, GRSO gearboxes is used to check the clutch disc wear. In this way, we know if it is necessary to replace the disc or not. Jaltest includes procedures that make reference to this type of tool. Next, we saw an example of the procedure to check the clutch disc wear with Jaltest in a MAN TGX06 truck. We select the vehicle type, truck brand, MAN, TG series family, and TGX06 model. We filter by gearbox system type and Tecmatic SGC Scania 12+2 system. We select the Releases and Procedures model, and we choose a procedure. In the header of this procedure, we can see the different special tools within Jaltest tools family that should be used.